listen, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so.
Good morning. See, I know I say this all the time, I know, but honestly this time around I am late, like legit late. I'm on my way to the gym. I finally got myself a trainer. I'm so excited because the real work starts now. I cannot work out alone. I thought I could do it, but I can't because I always end up just feeling extremely lazy. Like I'll go to the gym to work out alone, like quite alright, like I would go, but I will end up not doing what I'm supposed to do. Do you get? Like, or maybe I might end up reducing the number of reps that I do for a particular workout. So I'm so happy that I actually do have a trainer, and it's supposed to be 8 a.m. This is a very wrong first impression because it's supposed to be 8 a.m. and this is 8:05 already. But I just need to talk to you guys. You guys are my excuse, and if you should ask me why did I come late on my first day, I'll just be like, my YouTube family, they're my excuse. I was talking to them and I was giving them updates. I was telling them what's going on in my life right now. So you guys are my excuse. When I get back from the gym, I have unboxing to do. I'm so excited. Like, I got myself few things, like few nice things, and I'm so happy. I'm going to unbox it. Okay, I've been waiting to unbox it, but I was like, no, I'll unbox it on camera. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sunset's on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm Sunday, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. You love me right. I love you, and I don't want to. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives.
Okay, so I think I'm ready. So hey guys, I am on my way out. I'm actually going for Expo 2020. In fact, I have like a full out video about Expo on my channel, so if you haven't seen it, go and see it. I'm sure it's amazing, or I'm sure it will be good. So I got myself cute things. Okay. I decided to spoil myself, and I don't regret it. So yeah, I'm so happy that I got these things for myself. So I just want to unbox it. Also, I want to unbox it on Instagram also. So like, I want to make it like a real video and all of that. So you guys are gonna watch me do the behind the scene, because I have like my phone tripod here and everything I got is here. So I'll still show you guys. Basically, my YouTube family, you're seeing it before my Instagram family. Yeah. So the first thing I got was Bottega, and it just got here. Then I also got one of my favorite bags ever from a particular brand that I'm obsessed with. I'm so obsessed with this brand that it's my wallpaper. That is how desperate I am. It's my wallpaper, guys. See, look at this. It's my wallpaper. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I love it so much. This is my wallpaper, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that it's also on my feed. I posted it one time like that on my feed. Yeah, I posted it on my Instagram, but I just kept it there, and I can't believe I finally have it. Like, I finally gotten it. So I just want to quickly unbox it before I go out now, because not like I'm running late, but I just don't want to go in the afternoon. I want to go this morning so that I can come back this morning. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I just finished the unboxing thingy. Let me stay well. So this is what the shoe looks like. I love this color. I picked this color, obviously. It comes in other colors, but this color, I love it. See, I can't wait to wear this. Like, I can't. Why are you scratching your body in my why are you scratching your body close to me? So this is it. So pretty. I think I want to try it on now. But look at this sole. Love it. It's so simple. Then this is the bag. Finally, I can take my own picture and use it as my wallpaper because I finally have it. This is red, actually. I don't know why I got red. I should have gotten pink, but I don't know. This red was looking really flashy to me, so I decided to get this particular one, this particular color, and but yeah. Oh, I forgot to actually unbox the hand. Damn, I didn't add this one to my reels, my Instagram reels that I just did. I forgot. But yeah, I think I'm going to wear this now to go out. I'm going to rock this one now to go out. That's how much it's doing me. Okay. This actually comes in size, so like, this is not the smallest. This is like, I think this is medium size. There's one that is actually extremely big. Today is Wednesday. Honestly, I can't even call this weekly vlog anymore because this is like the second week, and throughout last week I don't know what I actually did, but I'm guessing I did something. I don't know. I have like two things to do today actually. The first thing, I want to stop by the office. I want to stop by the office because I want to approve some designs and also sign off like on certain things and all. When I mean office, I mean perfume ish and all of that. They've been calling me to like stop by and just do certain things, and I've honestly been busy, so today I want to do that today. Then from there I also have an event to attend. I got invited to a particular launch event, fashion launch event. I don't know if you guys know Next. Like, it's a fashion brand. I think Next is a fashion brand. Yeah, so I think they are releasing like a new collection today, and I got invited, so I just want to go there. I think it's supposed to start from 1 to 4, and this is 1 o'clock, and I haven't left the house yet. The outfit that I wanted to put on burnt, like a burnt, and I didn't even know what to do again, and I was really running late. Okay, it burnt. The second outfit that I brought out to wear, makeup stained it. So now what I'm putting on is like my last option, the last alternative that I had. This is what I wanted to put on, guys. Look at it. See, this thing pained me. I won't lie, it pained me. So this is what I am putting on. This is like the last option because everything got burnt, and I honestly don't know what to do. It's not my fault again. I'm so upset, and again I'm also late, so I just had to like throw this on. Mind you, this top is pretty, it's cute. The only problem I have with this top is the breast area. I feel like when PLT, when they were doing this top, they did this top for people that have boobs, because I don't have boobs, and I don't know, it's just making me feel like there's nothing here, like it's so empty. But honestly, it's what I cannot come and kill myself because I don't have breasts. I cannot come and kill myself. So this is it. I got this top from PLT. Like I said, my jeans is from Zara. My jeans is from Zara, and you guys can see my shoe. My shoe also is from PLT. So anyways, guys, I am obsessed with braids. Just look at how cute I look on braids. I feel like if I get rid of this one, I'm going to do another one, but with different color. Maybe yellow or purple. Okay, I'm not doing yellow purple. Probably wine or something. But honestly, I just look at this. Like, I'm a goddess.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gonna miss her so, I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. I don't know where she came from. It kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, spring one of my t-shirts, so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your...
You guys, it is like 5:27. I'm just coming in. Like, I've had a long ass day. I left my house in the morning and I'm just coming into the house. I'm so tired. I had mad fun today, I won't even lie. I had good fun. I went for, okay, you guys, I already said this, I had an event, or I got invited for an event, like a PR event kind of thing for next. Actually got a PR package, so I want to unbox it here. I don't want to unbox inside the house. Like, I just want to go inside and just sleep, or rather I still have to walk, drink, then sleep. Yeah, walk, drink, then sleep. So I got this, or rather I came back home with this. You guys know that next is a fashion brand. They have stores. They actually have stores in the UK and not in the UAE yet. In the UAE is just online store, but in the UK they have like walk-in stores where you can actually do walk-in. So I got this. I don't know what's inside. I'm opening it up now. This is very, very thoughtful. Like, they actually gave out dresses and all that, like PR package. Can you imagine? Like, so this is actually very nice. This is like a sweater also. Yeah, this is a sweater. There's also socks inside. So Ravi is going to the gym or something. I just want to apologize for the delay, guys. I have had so many queries, like so many queries. Like, you guys have been so patient. Like, people that want my perfumes, you guys have been so patient with me. But I'm happy to announce that they are going to be available this coming week. Amen. Should I say this coming week or next week? You guys will be seeing this vlog on Thursday or on Friday. I don't know, either Thursday or Friday. But the next week is going to be available. Today I finalized everything. So you guys know that the last people that shipped it down from Dubai to Nigeria, you guys know that they frustrated me. You guys know that they frustrated me like mad. I was always complaining. They frustrated me because they ended up taking like a month to get it down from Dubai to Nigeria. But these new guys that I found, they're promising, or they've promised me 3 days. So let's be hopeful. All I know is that we are done. I've corrected so many mistakes that I've corrected so many things that I didn't like with the first production. So like, it's way better now. This new one is like way better. When I mean way better, I mean way better. Like, it is way better than the first batch. So if you're part of people that got the first one and loved it, I advise you get this second batch. So if your perfume has finished, get a new one, because the new one is like way better than the first one. It's the same thing, though. Like, it's the same thing. I don't want people to think that, oh, it's not the same thing. It's actually the same thing, but we just, you know, made it a little bit better. You get what I mean? Yes, you guys, for always patronizing me, for always supporting me, for always encouraging me. Thank you. See you guys in my next video, my next vlog, whenever I see you guys. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I can remember I want you. I can remember I want you. And she knows it's just like, make me think about some